What's up, guys? I'm Casey and I'm back at Zutoka Manji. As you can see, we have a special guest in the building. Classic P10. He's an artist. Obviously, so my videos are previous. Go and check it out. Go and check out his music. Tarwaji wash out. Sanye pere. Ngumana anoimba zverudo. Ari muligrana Gary. Natakura, Hilsey, the building. Yes, sir, Chichichiwa is here. And he's from Gary side. I'm from Mashingo, and RIP to Gary, guys. Yeah, my one. But, Magasiwa Chimuto, man. But Mashingo, man, Mashingo, talent one.
Yeah, for real.
Who is from Mashingo?
Yeah, man.
Mashingo. Gary. Was from Mashingo.
Mr. Candy.
Mr. Candy, shit, Mr. Candy. Shout out to Mr. Candy.
They're doing good, bro.
That's from Mashingo. Enzo.
Yeah.
Enzo is I don't know which one is what. But Mashingo, Mashingo Mutungo ni cheapo, man.
Yeah.
Chekuimba ichi. Ndongotora. Aina wero gara Mashingo. Bandi gara Mashingo bakutotsoka ndakuimba. Nox again. Shit. Apa vacho love arungobva Mashingo. Mimi zvasi. So it seems like Mashingo ndike rudo or something. But I think because mwe mlongemba zverudo is.
Yeah.
Afrofusion.
That's our energy, bro.
Okay. Please. Keep it up.
Even my baby is up and they can testify when I come pura. We can testify. Yeah.
Man, don't play it, Mashingo, guys. They are dangerous. Yeah. Okay, I understand. So let's get into the song. We are right into Bagga.
Yes.
Bagga, Sango, and produced by Naspa. Incoming. Shout out to Naspa,
that's my brother.
Urama Weeks, Baba. Trukunama Weeks, and please. We get a project now, Naspa.
Yeah. We have a lot of projects with Naspa. I would say Naspa is my producer right now.
Wow. And we can't wait for the bangers.
Yeah.
We can't. Why is it? Ungozo mo surprise. Lose him at mungo surprise. Ngone tunguka.
How far?
How far what? There's Otu now. Tungu Nakizo is.
Song.
Yeah. So this song is from his EP 3 Stripes. 3 Stripes. Uniform song. And what do you think with this track? What's your favorite song from the EP? So what's your favorite?
I'll say Sango.
Sango.
I think the lyrics, the beat, the production, quality. Yeah. The delivery. I have to deliver.
Shit. Mirati no ipinta because that's also my favorite. Sango. Yeah. Let's get into the song, guys. Please go and check it out. Yes, sir. Let's go.
We rock. Indonesia, Baba Gumoisa, Ika Irgudalimisa, La Uzizia.
You know, Bagga masango zakeka. Amana masango zakeka.
Ndakuziziza.
Ndakwana the yakarwana na Chief Ben. Kuzi ndingechita kupinda. Veins, guys. Which been on my veins music,
Yeah,
shit, this is crazy, guys.
very crazy.
Bagga, Zadar. Yeah, Zadar, Mumbi.
Zango ilo pwani, Sango ilo pwani, Sango ilo pwani,
Hanzi sango rinopa 180 iwe. Yeah.
Sango rinopa 180.
Yeah.
Novana utombopinda musango ba. Watanga kutomanya
musango kusvika 180.
Uvazopiwa waiza.
Hanzi nedotosvika kuti kwarinozonetira kwacho. Ndovane dotosvika. Okay. Yeah.
Ukutadikitaya ndokuda ndiri muroho andivhunduke ndochengetwa nako mama natiri musafe marasatario tario iyo upenyu wangu andidirefti upenyu wangu andidirefti asopandoporomani
akasingatukwa mari chimomira yasuda refu fanoramba chingoenda fanoudzirwa zvekuita waiziva waiziva bas ine song ine message.
Yeah, it's a deep song. I think that's song. Power and Bagga. Bagga is a very good writer.
Yeah, he's underrated.
I think he's actually getting the shine.
Yeah, he is. This year, I will piece on Kuma.
He's actually getting the shine.
True promise of fitting a feature.
The Bagga, I would like to work with Bagga.
Man, those are the cool now, man. Bagga, K4, 9, P10, Naso Bazungo kind of beat. Shit, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. But please surprise us.
Yeah, we definitely work on something.
What is it? Please surprise us.
The voice of
anenge achita kutodzipisa aropawanita aiwa mana Bagga, shout out to Bagga. Bagga, please, rambochitipa my songs. Imi meramba mchitipa futi my songs.
Yeah man, definitely.
That's why I do fara zim music, because the way I'm going now punch soka.
Yeah.
Man, one guys.
Yeah man.
Man, people don't sleep, guys. Wake up and listen to these people. Yeah. Wake up. Because you takunzwa music manje aizi chadi ungoita preach ungonza kunze tambodo support aizi mumbo supportana kuma shows
turn up for my shows
yakomana aizi zinonakidza so zinotofaya.
That's all we need.
Chete support
stream music
aizi
going like turn up, let's connect.
Going like
just that will really export the music outside.
Exactly. So yeah, please guys, please keep supporting. We like it. Keep supporting. Ada flu ana dola ni flu. Shit, crazy. Yeah.
Ano fara 990 Adaptora tarinda ini Dani taini Nini no simbizaini Nini no simbizaini Inotari swaini Inezi no nineza Baba unoeza Nika irgudo ni meza Na uzi
Bagga,
I think this is a perfect song. This is an example of a perfect song.
Perfect song, Baba.
The production on point.
On point.
The lyrics on point. Voice on
point.
Full package.
Full package, Baba.
Full package.
Yeah, premium, platinum. I don't know the. Chipetsira kwacho. Yeah, but the way I switch my sound,
man,
is mama, yeah, the flow, okay. Video is crazy, guys. I'm going to go to shit. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm moving back.
I really did something on this
shit. Shout out to Naspa. The way Naspa yangachi bika hapa voice rake
big combination,
full package wataura yeah, that's a dope track. That's why it's to fara songs song imawani. Please go and check it out, this EP, because many of you know zinyarara. That one is crazy.
Yeah, that one with the video.
Ni mio yeto, ni the other ones mwana wa mambo nizo.
Exactly.
That's crazy. So yeah, guys, that's it for the reaction video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe. Subscribe to P10 Classic P10 on his YouTube channel and follow Instagram, what you make.
Another thing, thank you for having me.
Yes, sir.
It's been nice
listening to
you.
Because the don't have to show kuti fans ya music yao. Fans ya music yao Afro fusion. They should know that type of sound. So yeah, please go and check out his music. Still music. I won't be disappointed. Guys, underrated that. Come on. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Yes, sir.